Meaning of fair-haired.
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 Fair-haired. Fair-haired is an idiomatic expression that describes someone with light-colored hair, typically blonde. The term can also be used metaphorically to describe someone who is favored or given advantages over others, similar to how the fair-haired child might receive preferential treatment in a family. This expression often carries a connotation of privilege and entitlement, suggesting that the person in question has been singled out for special treatment or benefits due to their appearance or status. Overall, fair-haired implies both physical characteristics and social status, although the latter is more commonly emphasized.